Alright guys, back to my channel. Good afternoon, magandang hapon, mayong hapon ang todos tres Chabacanos, buenas tardes. I have here a simple activity about my collection coins. Andres Bonifacio 10 peso commemorative coins guys. I will prove to you that this coin there is something gold or a little gold here. So guys, don't throw it to any garbage or to buy to anywhere. Keep this kind of coin. Someday it becomes a thousand of value guys. Thank you and God bless.